Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. He is very friendly. What is your pet's name? His name is Bruno. He is very playful. Why do you like pets? Because they give love and happiness. They make life better. What do you feed your pet? I feed him dog food and sometimes cooked meat. He enjoys it. Do you take your pet for a walk? Yes, I take him out every day. He loves running around. Does your pet understand you? Yes, he understands basic words. He listens when I call him. Do you play with your pet? Yes, I play with him in the evening. It is fun for both of us. Who takes care of your pet? I take care of him most of the time. My family also helps. Is having a pet difficult? Sometimes it is a little difficult, but it is worth it. Pets need love and care. Would you like another pet in the future? Yes, I would love to have another one. Pets make home lively.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.